you what's going on with the stock market this morning. Obviously, we had news this weekend, guys, and I've got my Discord up, guys, and you can see that the U.S. and Iran have agreed to stop fighting again. Interesting, right? But anyways, guys, I wanted to show you some of the stuff that you get in the Discord, right? So we have, and I have a list here of stocks, guys, that I'm going to review in a sec with you guys, but you're going to get a chat room, and then we have elite members, guys. These are the guys and gals that have pretty big portfolios, and I share with them exactly what I see for the next 12 months, and then we make investments based on that. So you're also going to have black label swings. We throw in bets for free, guys, and then you have my personal trade alerts. You get my morning commentary, guys, and then obviously some news with market talk. You can also share your chart, and I have a section for the newbies, guys, and obviously my YouTube channel. Now, the newbies part, guys, this is excellent for people who are learning. I leave a lesson there weekly so that you can understand what should be going on with the stock market, guys, and what you should be doing about it. Now, so let's go through, guys, this list here. Okay, so you can screenshot this and just check out how these stocks do for the week, guys. So this was based off of my scan yesterday, guys, using some of the techniques that I use. Now, I want to show you how these stocks are doing for this morning. All right, let's go check them out. And you get a little bit of a black screen, guys, and then boom, we got our chart here. All right, so the first one on our list, guys, was obviously Rocket Lab. And if you can see, and you're familiar with my indicator, guys, the dominator, okay? Look at this. We already have a call signal, guys, and we are up $8.54, guys. So check out that buy signal at the bottom, guys. So this buy signal came out last week, guys. And what I like to focus on is the higher time frame so we can see exactly how we're doing in the long run. So if you're trading in the stock market and you want to trade for the day and you catch one of these moves, guys, this is an excellent time to enter a trade, guys. And obviously, if you join me in the Discord, I'll show you what's going on. So this is the beginning of a golden cross, guys, for Rocket Lab. And you know they got a lot of news going on, so it's going to be some good stuff there. So keep your eye on Rocket Lab, guys. Okay, so our next stock, which I'm not a big fan of, guys, Netflix, but I did put them in there because we did get that bottom buy signal, guys, on the 6 hour. And you can see that Netflix did find a bottom, guys. Check that out, okay? So they found some support there. Now, what I want to see is I want to see them break this green line, guys, okay? I want to see them come above this area here, guys. And guess what? I think is going to be a winner chicken dinner, okay, for anybody who invests. And obviously, your top dollar right here, 85, guys. You get above 85, Netflix is going to make a nice run, guys. They're up 62 cents, which is a positive, right? Based on everything that they've been going through. But we see that they do have a call signal, guys, and they are climbing. Now, the next one is Palantir. And you guys know Michael Burry's been shorting the crap out of this. And now he closed his position, guys. So obviously, we're going to see a nice move up. And so far, we are up $5, guys, in the pre-market. And again, what I want to see is Palantir get to that pink line. So I'm going to mark it off and check this out. So we go from the 8-day moving average, guys, up to here. That's a $24 move. Now, if I wanted to buy Palantir and make some easy money, guys, check this out. This is cool right here, okay? If they do that, you'll make some nice money. But if they keep going up, cool. But for now, I think that this is going to happen, guys, where they're going to make a run for that pink line, which will be a golden cross for them. And then they're going to try to keep going back to their 52-week high, guys, which was about 207.52. So now we are up $5 on Palantir, guys. Keep an eye on them for the week. Okay. These guys came up on my scanner, guys, as some top picks. And again, we have Microsoft trying to make another run. Now, when they flip, guys, okay, I have this white line here and then my green dash. Okay. This is the 8 and the 20, guys. When they flip here, guys, this is the first sign that a big move is coming. Now, the 200-day moving average, guys, is $32 away. So if you're a fan of Microsoft, they're already up almost $7 in the pre-market. Do I expect them to run today? Absolutely, guys. They're already buying. Now, will we see a dip? I think they'll dip first and then they'll make a run. But what you should be looking at is how are these guys going to do for the week? Next one on my list, guys, was Hood. And obviously, we have an amazing support area here for Hood, guys. Look at this. And excuse me, you can tell from previous days, guys, this was resistance over here. And when resistance becomes support, you guys know what time it is. And that means they're going to get ready to go on a bull run, guys. They're already above the 200, guys. Check that out. Okay, now they're already up from support last week, guys. When we got that signal, $9.37. They're up $3 in the pre-market. But my expectation is they come make a run for this 113 again, guys. This is a $21 move that you can take advantage of if you understand how to enter a trade and when to exit. So I would keep Hood on my watch list for this week, guys. Okay, next one is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is making a run. They are down in the pre-market. Apparently, Coca-Cola is having some news going on because there is some chatter about sugary sodas not being good for kids and every other human being, guys. But what I do see here, and the reason I want this on my list for the week, guys, is I see the resistance, okay? But I also, whoops, here we go. I also see a potential cup and handle, guys. So the fight is not over for Coca-Cola. It is a cheap stock right now, guys. Now, $81. And I'm talking about, hey, I want to day trade this, guys, okay? So if I look at the 8-day moving average, I'm going to see if they hit it again. And then we have a nice move going up for $2.79. And if you look at the option contracts on Coca-Cola, they have amazing, guys, amazing contracts with nice high gammas. Okay, now the next one on our list, guys, is Uber. There's a lot of chatter about Uber, guys, and they've been talking about this since last week. And Uber is doing something that is very, very big in the stock market, guys. Check that out. So not only do they have support, they have a higher low, guys. Okay, now they're almost at the top of this indicator here, guys, but we still have the weekly where they're showing some very bullish sign, guys. And from this support area, they're already up $7.17, guys. They're up 30 cents in the pre-market. But if I look left, guys, okay, what I see is a previous resistance area right up here, guys, which is $80 area. And let's just take a look. That would be a total run of about $11 for Uber. So if you like Uber, guys, this might be a good time for you guys to consider buying it if you wanted to go along with it, or if you just wanted to make some money this week. I think it's worth having on your list. The next stock that we're going to look at, guys, that we scanned, okay, and this is Corning, guys, GLW. Okay, these guys are up $6 in the pre-market, and you can see this was a trade in the past that I gave my team, and I told them do not buy under 160. We bought once it came up, guys, and you can see clearly, okay? And this is the beautiful part here about the stock market, guys. When they get past that resistance, this is what happens sometimes, and I love it. Okay, this is called a major support area for Corning, guys. Okay, and they're still moving. They've gone through nice resistance there, guys, which means this is kind of a cup and handle situation, but they are headed towards potentially a new all-time high, guys. They're at 228. All-time high was at 230. Imagine what they're going to do once they get past that, guys. So right now, they are around 227.90, guys. And let's say they went for all-time high, which would be 230. Maybe another $10 after that, guys. You're looking at about a potential $14 run, guys. So this is definitely a stock to keep in your side pocket, guys. Even for a long, I will make a video more on these or some of my favorite picks to go long, guys. Okay. Now, our last stock for this week, guys, that I want you to keep looking at is ABBV, guys. Obviously, health technology. They're down a bit, guys, but check this out. Their all-time high is 253.35, okay, or was. Now they're higher, guys. So they are going for a bigger run. So this is something that I would definitely consider, guys, because check that out. They are at an all-time high. I would expect them to do a small pullback this week because money is moving into different sectors, guys. So I would expect them to do this, come down, hit that all-time high, and keep going, guys. I'm not promising this is what's going to happen, but this definitely looks like a bullish setup going on with ABBV, guys. Now, let's go through QQQ. Obviously, if you guys are day traders, you're going to be looking at QQQ, guys. So on Thursday, guys, I called out QQQ. I gave my team a alert signal, guys, not only because we have amazing support here, guys, and let me add you a better box in here, guys. We have some amazing support going on with QQQ. A lot of great stuff going on. Obviously, the US not fighting with Iran helps, guys, but check this out. We have a higher low, guys, and this is a real thing in the stock market, and now we are climbing. Now, my expectation is for QQQ to make a nice little run up, guys. And if I take my Fibonacci, let's say they're going to make it to the golden zone, guys. That's 733. We're looking at another $15 to $18. If they get to 762, which is my expectation, they will have a new all-time high, guys. Now, we do have the green triangles popping up everywhere, guys, because there's so much bullish momentum. And in the pre-market, they're already up $9.29, guys. We entered on Friday, so definitely we are up that much. Okay. Now, this is almost a $10 move. If they go to 733, guys, check this out. Okay. They are getting into an area that is a gap zone in here, right up here, guys. Okay. After this, I expect them to hit 743 because there's nothing going to stop them. This candle here, guys, is not enough to stop QQQ. So keep an eye on QQQ, guys. Good stuff happening with them. All right. So now let's go through SPY, guys, and you can see. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys a quick trick. Let's go over to QQQ again. I'm going to take this little box. I'm going to copy and then paste it on here to make it easier and more efficient for me. So if you guys use TradingView, you know that's one of the options you have, guys. Okay. Now we have support, guys, and it is a higher low for SPY. And if you guys watch my videos on Saturday called Saturdays with SPY, you will know that SPY is headed into a good direction, guys. I did mark it off on the video, guys, but I'll do it here again. We're going to do a Fibonacci for SPY. And you know, SPY and QQQ, they both run the same, guys. So we're looking at 745 and 762. on the SPY, guys. Okay, and this is going to be interesting because they're going to have a similar price, guys, and there's going to be a nice alignment there. Okay, so remember, we have a resistance here. After this, guys, we have no more resistance. Okay, so if we get into the 730 area, okay, 740, let's call it 740, guys. After this, we're looking at clear skies for a while, all the way to 749. We are currently up $8.35, guys. People are buying. Why are they buying, guys? Because the stock market went down. Let's look at SPX, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go to SPX on the daily. Okay, and you can see, let me get rid of my Fibonacci. You can clearly see that we've been falling for a while, guys. And SPX, for any of you that are not familiar, guys, is the S&P 500, guys, and we've been in a downtrend. Okay, now somebody saved the day, guys. I don't know who it is, but somebody saved the day right in here. Okay, so they found support right at mid channel in this downtrend, and you can see at the bottom of the dominator assistant, guys, we had a buy signal in this area, and we're probably going to get another buy signal real soon here. If you can see previous times, guys. Okay, let's mark that off. Okay, let's add a vertical line here to this bottom area. So now we have a previous buy in this area, and when we get a buy signal that low, guys, it's on like Donkey Kong. Look at this. This is where they were at, guys, on the daily, and then they took off for a run. So we are currently here, guys. Again, this is a higher low. So if I was a Fibonacci guy and I started to fib this, let's see how far SPX can go, guys. Okay, now you have your 74.65 area, guys. Let's make this a little sharper for you. 74.65, then we got 76.25 area, guys, for a nice bull run with SPX. And you can see clearly, guys, this downtrend potentially has finished, and then we're going to see a nice retest somewhere around here, guys. Okay, which would be 74.28. So we're talking almost 100, maybe $80 area on top, guys. So this is the first area, 74.20, and at some point, guys, this white line will be the second test. If they do that, obviously we will make a run for 75.68. So keep an eye on these stocks, guys. This is your morning update from Coach Ruben at the Bull Ring, guys. If you guys are interested in joining my Discord, guys, there is a free link below. It doesn't cost you to